shining star. A warm welcome to you. I'm so excited to have you again. Today I'm going to teach you making the phonic sound of letter R to letter and we are going to associate them with their corresponding objects. Now let's go. Letter R. Letter R. Letter B. Letter B. Letter K. Letter K. Letter D. Letter D. Letter E. Letter E. Letter F. Letter F. Letter G. Letter G. Letter H. Letter H. Letter E. Letter E. Letter G. Letter G. Letter K. Letter K. Letter L. Letter L. Letter M. Letter M. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. R as in apple. R as in apple. B as in ball. B as in ball. K as in cup. K as in cup. D as in dress. D as in dress. E as in egg. E as in egg. F as in fish. F as in fish. G as in gun. G as in gun. H as in house. H as in house. E as in insect. E as in insect. G as in jug. G as in jug. K as in kite. K as in kite. L as in leg. L as in leg. M as in mango. M as in mango. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. Goodbye, star.